Bilang pangwakas sa kanilang 10 araw na homecoming training camp, nagsagawa ng exhibition match ang Philippine Women's National Football Team noong Martes sa Mall of Asia Football Pitch sa Pasay City. Ano naman kaya ang naging assessment ni Head Coach Mark Torcaso sa naging performance ng Pilipinas? Yan ang ating alamin sa ulat ni teammate Darrell Oclares.
Nagbalik aksyon ng ating Philippine Women's National Football Team ngayong Pebrero para sumailalim sa homecoming training camp sa bagong tayo na Mall of Asia Football Field sa lungsod ng Pasay. Para maipakita ang naging bunga ng kanilang 10 araw na ensayo, naglaro ang Pilipinas ng isang exhibition match nitong Martes na libreng napanood ng football fans. Matapos ang laban, 1-1 ang naging score sa sagupaan ng mga veteran players kontra sa mga bagong miyembro ng Pilipinas training pool. Ayon kay Pilipinas Head Coach Mark Torcaso, malaking tulong ang training camp para masala ang mga posibleng madagdag na bagong players sa pambansang koponan.
So while we're creating a competitive training environment and a competitive match tonight, we can also see some of the players that we could potentially have part of our national team for the future. So definitely ticked what I wanted because, you know, out of those 10 players, I was impressed with all of them. Out of our group of players that have, you know, regulars, impressed with them as well. Obviously it was unfortunate we got some injuries, but definitely a tick and definitely satisfied. But we want to keep building on this.
Dagdag pa ni Torcaso, target niyang buuin ang pinakamalakas na roster ng Pilipinas dahil punteriya nila na makabalik sa FIFA Women's World Cup sa taong 2027 sa bansang Brazil.
That has to be my job and that has to be the priority for me. I have to have a headache, I believe, at the end of every camp to pick the best players for the next camp. I feel sometimes it's not the best if you've only got a selected handful that you always pick. You need competition.
Kabilang sa mga bigating torneo na pinaghahandaan ng Pilipinas ngayong taon ay ang ASEAN Women's Championship kung saan defending champion ang bansa, pati na rin ang Southeast Asian Games at Asian Cup qualifiers. Darrell Oclares para sa Atletang Pilipino para sa Bagong Pilipinas.